Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Trevor Burger Custom Urban here with me for a maintenance video, but as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below, guys. That's so easy that you have no excuses, right? So let's go ahead and try to clean this up. It's pretty clean, but mainly I want to see how this guy looks on the inside. Super snappy detent. This is the Urban from Trevor Burger Custom, and we got a T8 for the handle, and I believe that we're gonna need a T15. How cool is this, by the way? T15 for the pivot screw. Let's do it. Let's see if we need two. Definitely we need two. It's alright, not a biggie. This is a nice departure from the T6 that we are all used to with the older Trevor Burger custom knives, right? This is a fantastic improvement, as well as the internal skeletonization going on. I really appreciate that. It's reducing the weight, and then also you get a stainless steel lock face insert. The new back spacer is looking good, functional. Here we go. Keep it pinching, gently wiggle the scale, just very gently. Here you go. Remove the blade. This guy is running on skiff, and this is the back spacer that I was talking about. So nice addition to the, let's say version 2 of these. I mean, this is the new model, but these new features are pretty good. So the blade is clean. Bearing also is clean. Nice ceramic bearings. One is out. Second one is also clean. Back spacer, nice and done. Nice weight reduction, as you can see right over here. Pretty deep pockets over here. Stop pin is nice. You get quite a big pivot. I am not seeing any spacer, like stainless steel, hardened steel washer. So you have the bearings, which are ceramic, running up against the titanium, which is not usually the best solution because it's gonna create some grooves. But I mean, not a huge deal, right? I'll use a little bit of 10 weight in oil, like 3 drops there, 1 on the detent. Then I'm just gonna do blade in place. I'm gonna add the other bearing. I'm gonna add another 3 drops of nano oil. I'm gonna grab the scale, just place the scale on top of that. But first, I am not gonna forget the back spacer right over here, right? Because we don't want that. Then I'm just doing this, hoping that here we go. So releasing that and very gently screwing back the handle, because these screws are just going directly into the titanium. You gotta be very careful, so just take your time. Screw them in like very slowly, like so, not all the way to the end. Okay, so I am actually doing, let's do this, leave it there, grabbing, I'm not doing any Loctite, so this would be the moment you would coat the thread in Loctite and apply it. There you go. So this looks legitimately centered, super snappy. Maybe it's a little bit too much. a little bit less. Yeah, I mean, this thing is not drop shot because the detent is strong, so lock bar pressure is high, but yeah, with a little bit of breaking in period, it's pretty cool. Very nice, pretty lightweight, but the highlight of this fella is for sure the detent. So there you have it. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.